In this video, I'll show you how to fix network fees issues in Coinbase Wallet. Now, the issue is usually a very common one, and it's that you just don't have enough network fees. So for instance, if you got an error saying you don't have enough BNB, Ethereum, so forth, the network token, what you need to do is click on swap, and you need to swap some of your existing token that you have for the BNB, Ethereum, so forth. So I've already set mine on BNB, but you can click here where it says 2, and you'll just select BNB Smart Chain. Now, of course, I have no assets on my Coinbase wallet, but for you, you'll just put in the amount of whatever crypto you are going to swap for the network token, and then you are going to have a swap option where mine says add crypto to your wallet, of course, because I don't have any. Then you'll get a review, which will include the fees involved. And if you're happy, you can just hit swap. And then you should be good to go. You'll now have some actual gas or network token to perform your trades. The amount will depend on your specific trade. You will be able to see it on your review. Alternatively, you can buy some BNB on Binance and then send it to your wallet. Guys, please keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses that you incur are fully your responsibility, and we will not be held liable. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.